Hey guys, Joshua here, and this is part 2 of the mid-end gaming streaming productivity build that I've been building the past week plus. So yeah, here it is. I hope you enjoyed that build montage thing, and yeah, here are some of the test results that I got, and bear in mind that these are the tests that I personally run, so let me know in the comments if there are any other kinds of tests that you would like to see, and if I can, I'll try to run them. As you can see, it rendered out super fast in Cinebench R15, and for the CPU score you're getting 1686. In TimeSpy, you're getting a score of 6859 with a graphics score of 6745 with a CPU score of 7592. For PC Mark 10, you're getting a 5289 overall score with the Essentials scoring 8028. The productivity is 6696. And for digital content creation, 7470. This score online is actually also better than like 77% of all results that have been submitted for PC Mark 10. In the Final Fantasy benchmark, you're getting a score of 7314 and the performance is at high 1920 by 1080 at high quality. So in PUBG, you're going to be getting over 100 FPS easily with everything on Ultra, as you can see. Even if you choose to stream while playing games, I think that it will easily be hitting about 60 to 70 FPS even while you're streaming because of the 8 cores that are in this CPU. As you can see by the test results, this PC is actually perfect for everything from productivity to gaming to streaming, except for one thing, which is 4K gaming. That would bring the FPS down to around 40 to 50, which is actually playable, but yeah, it's just a little bit lower performance than I would prefer, because if I'm playing games, I would definitely prefer something from 68 FPS and going up to say around 80 FPS is my sweet spot. Something else that I would have done with this PC, and to be honest, I actually completely forgot about it, was to get some extra fans, because yeah, there's only one fan provided in the P350 and I really should have put some of that budget into fans to facilitate airflow, so it will keep the whole thing a lot cooler. Also, another thing that I neglected to run because my subscription ran out is for Adobe Premiere Pro. So if I had that, I could probably do a lot more video rendering, video exporting to show you what it's like using this to, I don't know, render video, edit videos, that kind of stuff. But because I've swapped over to Final Cut, which is a Mac program, so I didn't continue a subscription. But yeah, hopefully, maybe somehow I can get a subscription for that. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it's useful. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech and gaming content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!